a tutti e a tutte. Did you know that Italy wasn't always a republic? Since today is the 2nd of June, I thought I'd tell you more about one of the most important national holidays in Italy, Festa della Repubblica or Republic Day. But what exactly are Italians celebrating today? To understand that, we need to go back to 1946. After World War II, Italians were asked to vote in a referendum. They had to choose between keeping the monarchy or becoming a republic, and the majority voted for a republic. And the 2nd of June became a historic day that marked a new chapter, the beginning of a new chapter in Italian history. This day is also particularly important because it was the first national election in which Italian women were allowed to vote. So, how do Italians celebrate today? Across the country, you will see the Italian flag displayed on buildings, balconies, public squares, and in Rome, there is a large military parade that takes place along Via dei Fori Imperiali, attended by the President of the Republic and many public officials. Many people just simply enjoy the day off with family and friends. They go for a day trip, they have a picnic, they visit the seaside, or they take advantage of a long weekend if the 2nd of June falls close to a weekend. If you're learning Italian, these are 3 useful words to improve your vocabulary. 3 useful words related to the 2nd of June, to la Festa della Repubblica. So the first one is actually republic. Repubblica is a female word. La Repubblica. L'Italia è una repubblica. The second word is referendum. So it's basically the same word that you use in English, but with a different accent. It's not referendum, it's referendum, because in Italian we basically read every single letter in a word. So it's referendum. Gli italiani hanno votato in un referendum. So Italians voted in a referendum. The third word is tricolore. Tricolore is the word we used to call to refer to our Italian flag. Why? Tricolore means like 3 colors, and because Italian flag, as you can see, it consists in 3 colors: green, white, and red. So il tricolore italiano. The Italian tricolore, the Italian flag. It's actually always interesting to know how national holidays are celebrated in different countries. So just let me know in the comments what is an important national holidays in your country and how do people celebrate that. I also remind you to subscribe to my channel, also leave you the link to have a look at my Prodigy account and my Superprof account. I teach Italian on both platforms, and I will be happy to be your Italian tutor. And now I thought it will be fun to show you how I'm going to celebrate the Republic Day here in Italy. So just enjoy the video and buona festa della Repubblica dall'Italia e ci vediamo presto. Have a nice day, buona giornata, bye!